In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create NPS dashboard in Google Sheets. Net Promoter Score, or NPS, is a simple way to measure customer loyalty. It's calculated as the percentage of promoters minus the percentage of detractors, and it ranges from negative 100 to 100. We'll set up a clean data source that updates from a Google form, classify each response automatically, and build a small dashboard that computes your NPS in real time. Start by creating a tab for your raw data and name it Survey Responses. Connect it to a Google form so results flow in automatically. In the form, collect the date, a name or ID if needed, a score from 0 to 10, and an optional comment. Link the form to your sheet so every new submission lands on the Survey Responses tab with a new row. In the sheet, make sure your columns are set up as date, name or ID, score, comment, and category. The category column will classify each score. In the first category cell, next to your first score, type the formula equal IFC209, promoter, IFC27, passive, detractor. This groups scores of 9 and 10 as promoters, 7 and 8 as passives, and 0 through 6 as detractors. Press enter, then drag the fill handle down to apply it to all existing rows. A quick tip, if your form keeps adding new rows, fill the formula well beyond your current data so new entries get categorized without extra work. Next, create a second tab for your dashboard and name it NPS Calculation. We'll reference the Data tab to compute the key metrics. In the Total Responses cell, enter Count Data CC, replacing data with the exact name of your data sheet if it's different, such as Survey Responses. This counts every score you've collected. For the percent of promoters, enter COUNTIF Data EE, Promoter, B2, and format it as a percentage. For the percent of detractors, enter COUNTIF Data EE Detractor, B2, and format that as a percentage too. Now calculate the NPS by typing each as B3, B4, 100. That final number is your Net Promoter Score. To interpret, remember NPS equals percent promoters minus percent detractors. If those two groups are equal, your NPS will be 0. As promoters outnumber detractors, your score rises. If detractors dominate, it falls. For clarity, format your dashboard cells with clear labels, set percentage formats where appropriate, and consider freezing the header row on your data tab. You can also add conditional formatting to highlight promoters and detractors in different colors for quick scanning. That's it. Your NPS dashboard now updates automatically from your form, classifies each response, and calculates NPS in real time.